Guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Alright, so today we got a video. Obviously, this is the show where I watch police chases. This is a SRT Durango takes off on Clayton County Blackhawk unit in a high-speed chase. Okay, so the cops are pulled over on the side of the road. They pull over to get onto the freeway, and well, from the title we know it's a SRT Durango, so the cop's audio cuts on, which means at some point in 30 seconds he should be seeing the guy and turning on his lights, which triggers the cameras up until now, which is now. Okay, yeah, that SRT Durango is literally blacked out, running from the Blackhawk unit. Hit the like button for me, guys. Sub, hit on post notifications. Check out more of the chases that I got going on, guys. I got a playlist of chases. I'm JTSpeeds.
75 northbound, passing Old Dixie, North Carolina tag.
So if the cops lit him up, why is he not pulling over? The cops know what he's doing. He smashes off. No respect for the police.
Really, nigga?
Clayton County. No respect for the Blackhawk unit. So the chase ensues. And this cop isn't keeping up. This cop is not keeping up with this SRT right now. I'll tell you that right now, guys.
Really, nigga?
Look at that, how the SRT get over. This cop is not keeping up. That Charger is flying. You see that other one there? That one is flying. But they're not keeping up. He's using signals at least. Ooh, this is a high-speed chase. Hit the sub button for me, guys. Yeah, this is a high-speed one. I watch high-speed chases. If you guys want some context behind who I am, I'm JTSpeeds. I watch high-speed chases. You can't slow down, bro. They're gonna pit you. The moment you slow up, they're going to pit you. This is a felony charge. Man, this is dangerous. So obviously, if this is a SRT, this has a 6.4, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try to get into something complicated. Do these SRTs, like, I know that 2018 and up Scat Pack Chargers, or whatever, 2018 and up Scat Packs, they have the BGE block, the orange block. Is that the same case with these SRT Durangos? Oh, shit, he crashed out. Where the yeah, that's horrible. Oh, he crashed out. So that was quick. That was quick. In record time, boys. So they were trying to pit him. I wonder if this Charger behind him is a V6 or something, because he could not hang. This Charger behind, like directly behind him, his first Charger behind him, cannot hang at all. Gotta be a V6. That one that was in that far left lane, just gaining and gaining, had to be a 5.7. Okay, so he couldn't keep traction. In an all-wheel drive, mind you, in an all-wheel drive. This thing is so heavy, you just gotta, you know, be a decent driver. Don't just drive like a dick.
41.
And you crashed out. Yeah, he crashed out. So police gonna pull up, jump out. You're running. Pulling out their guns. The cops running a radar detector. Let me know down in the comments if you guys run radar detectors in your vehicles. Where's the guy?
Hey, bro, chill, bro. I got a gun on you. I got a gun on you. Oh,
I got you.
I got a gun
I
on
got
you.
you. Where the gun at?
It's in my
I got
pants.
him, I got
It's in
him.
my pants. It's in my pants. It's in my pants. Grab it.
Alright, I got you. 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 I got you.
Damn, there's some clean Jordans he got on.
I got you. I got you.
It's right here.
I
My
got you.
hands.
Calm down. Calm down.
right here.
I got you. I got you. Alright? Relax.
Damn, you got an extendo on that.
Shit. Tell you straight, twin. But chill.
You stupid. Put your
They
hands
crashed
up.
out. They got the red
Put your
guts and
hands
the
up.
SRT Durango.
Got one in custody, one at gunpoint.
That looked like a new one.
It's right here. Shit. Tell you straight, twin.
Okay, so there's two of them in there. Why everybody underwear is like out in these chases? Look at this guy. His whole butt is out. Really, nigga? Like, come on now. Oh, that's that new Durango, new SRT. Damn, them boys start at $80,000, if I'm not mistaken, bro. At least 70. Wow. So shout out to County Boys. This is Not State Boys. Subscribe to them. Shout out to them for bringing us this video. This was a pretty chill video. Check me out, guys. Alright, turn on another video, pull up another one of my videos. It'll suggest it to you after this. Okay, hit the sub button for me, turn on post notifications, hit the like button for me if you can. This is JTSpeeds and I'm out. Peace. We get a highway in a spaceship. Yeah, yo bitch, she need a facelift. She came my way, I told her take this. Now I'm fixing bitches' faces.